David Massaro here from Schematics in the spring semester of 2024. This is my second and third attempt. This was supposed to be an FM radio. My first attempt came with surface mounted chips built into the PCB board. So I tried taking them off, but I damaged them, so I got another one that wasn't integrated, but it was still a surface mount. So I tried to daisy chain the first pins that they touched, because this was way too small to get onto the breadboard. So I jumped off the first node that came off the PCB and tried to get this thing to work. Here would be the power button, the volume, and the channel buttons. I took this in for tutoring several times, and according to the schematics, it's wired properly. However, we're kind of breaking down to there's probably some sort of incompatibility. This board says it has an integrated gain control somewhere in it, so when I plug it in, I just don't hear anything. Another issue might be is this simple one doesn't have an antenna. So I've troubleshooted everything seems to be right, but I just couldn't get this one. So I did learn a lot about troubleshooting and oscillators and wiring everything in. This time I tried to make sure I had a better layout. I wasn't too clustered in. I learned to label my pins, but in lieu of not turning anything in, I went to my plan C, which is just a very simple Ohms law LED example. It has 8 LEDs and 8 resistors of varying resistance, and if you flick them all on, well, that's 1, this is 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh boy, 6, 7, and 8. You can see it's showing that with the different resistances we'll get different brightnesses. So simple, yet I still had to troubleshoot this one. I couldn't figure out which one of these pins was a switch leg, so that took me a little trial and error, and as well as accidentally had the switch flipped around. So yes, thank you very much.